United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 109, Unauthorized broadcasting from the high seas. 1. All states shall cooperate in the suppression of unauthorized broadcasting from the high seas. 2. For the purposes of this convention, unauthorized broadcasting means the transmission of sound radio or television broadcasts from a ship or installation on the high seas intended for reception by the general public contrary to international regulations, but excluding the transmission of distress calls. 3. Any person engaged in unauthorized broadcasting may be prosecuted before the court of the flag state of the ship, b. the state of registry of the installation, c. the state of which the person is a national, d. any state where the transmissions can be received, or e. any state where authorized radio communication is suffering interference. 4. On the high seas, a state having jurisdiction in accordance with paragraph the 3rd of May, in conformity with Article 110, arrest any person or ship engaged in unauthorized broadcasting and seize the broadcasting apparatus,